In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram followers and following list using Instagram Mobile. Let's open the Instagram app. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the 3 vertical lines. Now, you have to make sure that your Instagram account is a personal account. To check this, scroll down and look for the Account Type and Tools option. Tap on Account Type and Tools. In here, if you see an option called Switch to Professional Account, then your account is already a personal account. Now go back. In the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Account Privacy. Turn on the Private Account option. In the pop-up, tap on Switch to Private. Now your follower and following list will be hidden from everyone who is not your follower. Following these steps, you can hide your followers and following list easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.